Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today we're talking about the Gaggenau Induction. This is the 15-inch modular piece, single burner with a very powerful eye. So you see the setup now, we can wok cook right on here with the additional ring. So that's an induction ring that goes on, super safe, nice and easy. So look at the surface here. So we're etched glass, which is very nice, very easy to control here too. So, to clean this, we want to use Windex with white vinegar, a mild soap for a stain, things like that. And we want to make sure we do it when it's nice and cool. So, after you're done cooking on it, because this is a huge size burner, it's a 15-inch burner, ton of power, ton of great things. I'm gonna put this back on and I'm gonna show you the controls. Now, one of the best features in the Gaggenau are, the controls are gonna be hidden right here. So it's nice and easy. It's really not on the cook surface. We find that's ideal so it really doesn't get anything dirty and your hands free. So when we start, we wanna push it in and we're gonna go to the first one. So see how that highlights, that orange ring back there means it's preheating and lit. So we go like this is 12, this is gonna be our max power. So if you look up there, then now on the top, this lights up. So now we can actually go with the timer setting, okay? And use the other one. So if we had the sensor setting, put it onto the pot, we could monitor the boiling. You could adjust your temperatures down like this to where we want to go in 1 degree increments. Look at that. So if we hit this one right here, we're going to use the pot method. So if there is actually a little magnet that'll stick onto the pot and read the temperature of the pot for us. So really straightforward on this Gaggenau, but nice and easy to control from the bottom right here. So check that out. So nice, easy, sleek, powerful, and performance. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.